Hello everyone, I finally found a little bit of time on this weekend and updated the SNN-BRX child theme and almost rewrite all the codes because it was a mess. It was a big mess. All the codes before was under the functions PHP, all of these features. So it was really hard for me to edit or add new features. But now everything is tidy. I can add new features very easily. And let's check some of the new features. I mean, mostly my work was just tidying up the code, but still I added some features too. So first, let's see. And I like this moving this bricks down. This setting wasn't as a setting before. I just added as a code, but now it has a setting checkbox. I like to move bricks down here because up here we should just see contents, post types, only content stuff. Anything else like plugin pages, setting pages, etc. should be down here. I don't know, that's how I see the VP admin pages. Okay, VP admin menu. I like to keep it clean and organized. And we can enable lots of security features like disabling VP version, rendering on the HTML, and on the front end, disable XML RPG, disable feed RSS. And this is great if you don't want to like bots, AI bots and stuff, like doesn't want them to read the JSON API. You can disable for the guests and bots. That's great. And we can enable the auto update if you want from here. So of course, like this GSAP feature, most of you guys love this, I know. And I am thinking like adding other libraries, but I'm not sure. Like maybe we can add like other animation JavaScript libraries. Please write in the comments if you want me to add more. And someone told me iOS.js, I checked that, but this is almost same as Bricks animations. I mean, if Bricks animations or GSAP library has same features, I don't think I would add that feature to this theme. I mean, yeah, it is almost same with the Bricks animation. Yeah, so that's why I didn't add the AOS. So, and this is the new feature. I'm proud of it. Custom CSS for both block editor and Bricks theme, Bricks editor, and front end. Okay, so when we add, let me show you guys how it works. It is an amazing feature. Let's say it can be post or pages or post types. Okay, so let's say red. I just want the add color red. Okay, good. So I write something. It can be heading, it can be title, whatever, it can be text, and I just add the red here. And now we will have red. Of course, I didn't refresh it before, sorry. So I saved it here first. Let's add blue. Okay. There are lots of CSS colors like that. I love to write it like this when I make something simple. Let's refresh it first. So we can make this now blue. Easy. Of course, like this is a really simple class example, but it can be much advanced stuff. That's why I added some native CSS libraries. Link here. Let's add the animate CSS. Okay. Animate style. I think there was a GDN here. Yeah. When you want to add a CSS library, just copy the CSS, minified. It would be, I mean, minified would be better. Otherwise it will take so much space. Okay. Let's add that, and we just don't, I mean, we can keep it, but I don't want to. Let's just delete that. It is open source anyway. Save it. Now we can use the animate library on block editor or front end or bricks. How? Easy. Let's say we want this rubber animation. Okay, so I love it. Let's use that. Let's refresh the page. Yep. Okay, let's add that here. We need to add the, I think we need to add animated, is it? Or animate? Let me check. When we add animate, yeah, it's animated. Okay, let's add that. Update, refresh. Okay, now we have the animation. So when we add the animation like that, we can use any class animation with any block. I mean, it doesn't have to be text. It can be anything really. Let's make a code. Yeah, like that. Let's make it H1 because now we are selecting the quote. Let's go to the group quote. Boom, we can select the groups too. So like this, you can make lots of advanced animations or classes. Good thing is, this is not just for block editor. It can be for bricks too. Let's make a bricks page. Let's add something, whatever. And let's add these classes. Boom. Now we had the same animation here too. Let's go front end. And it works in front end too, because those classes gets added on the all pages. Of course, it's not ideal, but I mean, just keep the library small, okay? For example, this animate library, pretty small. I mean, very small. Look at this, like 1 to 4 pages or something, like just couple kilobytes. That's why I would recommend just using native CSS libraries. For example, I have given this link from some native CSS libraries, but some of them requires JavaScript too. Okay, just ignore them. Just use the only JavaScript CSS libraries. It has to be like pure CSS libraries. Okay, and this will be much easy for you guys too, because when there is JavaScript, it's usually, for example, Tailwind. For example, like it is pretty big, like 2 megabyte, 3 megabyte. It's stupidly big. Like Tailwind CSS, it is stupidly big. You don't need this big JavaScript and CSS libraries. Just stay away, okay? Just go with pure CSS, and this will make your website and project really fast. So these are the features I added, especially this feature. I love it, and I am planning adding more block editor / bricks features, because like I have some good ideas about making custom blocks or customizing the block editor for client or custom projects. I have really great ideas, so I will make this team get advanced on that area more in time. So, oh, I almost forget, I added some custom data tags. For example, I added current author ID. You can use all of these custom data tags can be used in the custom loops, of course, custom query loops. Edit this, and I edit taxonomy terms / taxonomy. What is that? Like, this is a custom taxonomy / retriever. I mean, it can be category, it can be custom terms, custom tags, whatever, taxonomy names. Okay, it will just retrieve the slug. I mean, it can be useful for some people. I find it useful, especially like before filters. Like now we have filters. Before the filter feature came, I was using this data tag a lot. like making my own filters and stuff easily. And oh, the custom color custom field, like if you have ACF for, let's say, category, or pods for category, and added a color, okay, you can retrieve that color and get it with this data tag. And same with the, like this one, like Slack, it can be category, it can be tag, it can be custom text name, like it can be any term, okay? And I added current user first name, or if the first name doesn't exist, it gets the username, login username. And yeah, post count, this was just recently I used on the client project. Maybe it will be useful for you guys too. It gets the post type count or post type plus taxonomy count. Okay, look at that, like term, it can be used like this. I should update this, like this should be just for taxonomy, not taxonomy with term slug. Interesting. Anyway, I will update this later. Just give me some ideas if you guys have any, or if you guys need any data tags, like any useful idea, I will develop it for sure. Okay, that's it. Like I was thinking like I didn't add too much feature, but looks like I added a lot. And anyway, so okay, I have great more ideas to add later on. So if you guys want to download this, just go to the GitHub. I will add it on the description as a link anyway. Just download it as a zip, and that's it. And you can use it as a Brix child theme. Okay, enjoy it guys. See you guys on the next video. Bye.